I'm going to show you guys the travel journal, and I am working in GoodNotes, the app, on my iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil. And as you can see here, I'm in the app and I'm going to click on the travel journal. And there's two ways you can, well, actually there's three ways you can navigate. You can click on the little ribbon to go to the next page, the My Travel Journal, or you can swipe. This is the travel map page where you can use the stickers or you can draw to put little pins where you've been. And as I'm demonstrating, you can highlight on the tabs to navigate the next and back page and the tabs at the top, or like I said, you can swipe. This is the index page, and each of the color blocks are correlating with the tabs, so they are hyperlinked and clickable. So this is the stickers page, and later on in this video I will show you the different ways you can add stickers to your travel journal, and this is one of them. So this is the page where you would get it from, one of the ways. So this is the first trip's main page. For me, I just wanted to use an example of our Alaskan cruise. So there's places for you to put what you're excited about, important notes, and planning for it. And this is one of the first pages. And the way I did this was, doing a page on one side or a day on one side. But you can do this multiple ways. It is totally free for you to decide. Since I didn't journal this while I was doing the trip, it was harder for me to write about it. So I just did pictures. But as you can see here in a minute, another way you could go about this is have a page of your pictures for the day and then on the other side a journal. But there are 10 pages for each trip, and this journal holds 6 trips total. So you are totally free to organize this how you want. And as you can see, here is the following trips. So for the stickers, you have a stickers page within the journal that you're welcome to use, but my recommended way is to use the PNG file that will be sent with your purchase that is separate from the journal, and PNG just means it has a transparent background, which allows more freedom for your stickers to put them over things. And so what I'll show you here is once you download it, you'll just want to save it to your camera roll. And this is what it'll look like. That's for the pink one, and this is for the blue one. And so what you're going to be able to do is import them. And first, I'd like to just show you how you can use the stickers page. So you'll come to the stickers page. Okay. You'll use the lasso tool, and as you can see, you can kind of drag it around once you draw it, so it's really flexible. But as you can see, the problem is you might not get a perfect crop. So I'm going to show you how to fix that one way. So I'm going to go to this other page, and I'm going to find the page I want it on, and I'm going to hold down and click paste. Now a way to get rid of that extra is to hold on it, crop, and you can use the rectangle tool, or what I like to use to get a better fit is the freehand tool. So crop what you want, hit done, and there you go. But as you can see, it still is not a transparent background. So another way you can go is to your photo album, and you're going to get all the stickers, and you're going to think, oh my gosh, I do not want them. But you do the same exact thing. Crop, highlight what you want, and you can see how it's a transparent background. And then you can put it wherever you want, and as you can see, you can overlay it on top of things, and it's still not covering the photo. Whereas if I show you here, the other one totally covers up what's beneath it. So that's why I do prefer the PNG file, but I understand you may not have it on you. Maybe it's just an extra step you don't want, so that's why I still included the stickers page. That does have the same colored background as the journal, but again, it's hard to overlay stuff. So again, here I'm just demonstrating how it works. You go to crop, pick the item you want. Again, you can use the rectangle or the freehand, which I prefer. And then you just drag it where you want, and resize it, rotate it. There's a lot of freedom to play there. And again, I'll just show you another example of using the stickers page versus the PNG. I'll crop out this airplane here using the lasso tool and just kind of show you again how I do it that way. You can go to take screenshot, you're going to click on the arrow and click copy, and then you'll click on the page you want. And then hold down and click paste. And then again you can resize, crop, if there's excess in there you don't want. But again, as you can see, it doesn't allow the transparent background. And again, I'll show you for good measure using the PNG file. Insert it, crop what you want. Resize it, place it where you want. As you can see, it's got the transparent background. And this is just to kind of show you how I used the watercolor map that I drew. So one of my favorite features about GoodNotes is using the lasso tool. So if you wrote on a page and you were like, ugh, that needed to go on another page, but I don't want to redo this all, you highlight everything you've worked on. And with the lasso tool, you do it the same kind of concept as the stickers. You copy it, then you go and paste it on whatever page you want, and voila, your life is so much easier. And last but not least, I'll show you how I import them using the pink travel journal, which is also available for sale. And this is just my draft, so it's not, fully linked and all that, so it doesn't have all the pages yet, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So I download it, I save it, usually to Acrobat. I don't automatically upload through GoodNotes because I've had problems, but you can do it that way too, and then you have it at your disposal on GoodNotes. And so yeah, this is the pink travel journal. Same exact thing, just the pink color scheme. 10 pages for each trip, 6 trips total. I hope you love it.